Hey, it's JJ from Braw Beard, back to talk about Beard Brush versus Beard Comb. We get asked this often, which is the winner? Beard Brush or the Beard Comb? They both have their unique functions. Braw Beard offer both, but we've designed them to work independently as well as together. Let me explain the differences and then I'll tell you why I personally use them both together. So, the Braw Beard Brush benefits. Say that fast. With there being so many brushes on the market at the moment, it can be difficult to choose the right one for you. There are several out there with soft bristles, medium bristles, hard bristles, handle versus no handle. We decided to go with a medium strength bristle because it's a good all-rounder. If they're too soft, the brushes will just fold and not do their job as intended. If the bristles are too firm, they can damage the hair, they can tear the hair up and damage the skin below, resulting in a tender and brittle beard. Our medium strength bristles work well. We find they work best for us. They do a great job of separating the hairs as intended, and as well as gently exfoliating the skin beneath your beard. This will eliminate dandruff and dead skin, etc. The boar bristle profile is curved. We designed this to suit the contours of your face for maximum effect. It gets down there and hugs your face, separating the hairs. We also added a handle for ease of use as well. We just found it best for going from side to side. It was easier to control. The Braw Beard brush is pocket sized and it's made from bamboo. Our brush is suitable for all beard types, from short to long. If you have a short beard, the brush is the best option for you because it separates the hair while evenly distributing the Braw Beard oil or Braw Beard butter. As mentioned earlier, it also gets down there and does a great job of exfoliating too. This will eliminate beard rough. However, if you have a long beard, consider adding a Braw Beard comb to your kit, and here's why. So, the Braw Beard comb, I use it personally for the longer beard. It just does a better job of detangling than the brush for me personally. It works better on long beards for detangling. It's made from sandalwood and we designed it with some key features that many other beard combs lack. The first up is being the teeth spacing. Teeth spacing is a key feature. Beards are more coarse than head hair. So if the teeth on your beard comb are too close together, they snag the hair and they can damage the hair, they can snap it. If the teeth are too wide apart, they'll miss the majority of the hairs and not comb as intended. After trial and error, we settled on this spacing that performed the best for us. It does a great job. Next up is the rounded teeth. Many cheaper combs have square edges on their beard comb teeth. Sharp edges can slice and damage the hair as the comb glides through the hair. We rounded ours to prevent that. Lastly, the Braw Beard comb is pocket sized too, because you take your beard everywhere. We think you should be able to take your comb everywhere as well. So yeah, it goes in your pocket, fits nicely. It's quite flat as well, so you don't notice it there. If your long beard gets caught in the wind or the rain or it's just feeling a bit straggly, the pocket sized beard comb is the tool you need. Just pull it back into shape wherever you're going. The Braw Beard comb comes in a handy pouch as well, just to protect it. So, there's the difference between the brush and the comb. Personally, I use both, and here's why. Here's my routine. In the morning, I wash with Braw Beard Wash. It's our beard shampoo, natural beard shampoo. Once I've gently towel dried my beard, when I get out, I apply some Braw Beard oil, just a few drops into my hand, dispense it in. Then I comb the hair. This detangles any knots or any snags that are there from washing. Just detangle the hair, so get that running nice and smooth. Next up, I use some Braw Beard butter. Scoop a small amount of that out. It's got a wax element that kind of holds the stray hairs in place, maintain a bit of shape. Just keeps a bit of control. It's a good moisturiser as well, deep conditioning moisturiser. So once that is applied into my beard, then I use a brush. And then the brush, the thousands of bristles there, evenly distribute the product. Again, exfoliating the skin below. And that gets the butter right through there. It separates the oil as well. Add some volume to the beard, as you can see. Adds plenty of volume, and then I can use that to direct my moustache out the way as well. And then that just leaves the beard sitting nice. Give it a wee scoop, and there we're good. So that is the difference between the beard brush and the beard comb. As I say, they work independently, but we've designed them to work together, as I just demonstrated. So I hope that helps explain the difference there. And as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you choose to, and please share with your bearded friends. it's not always clear the difference between beard brushes and beard combs and which you need and which you don't. So if you have any bearded friends, please share this video with them. I'm sure they'll appreciate it. I appreciate it. So thanks for your support, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you.